up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Love this smile. So I just opened this brand new channel. It's my personal channel and I wanted to give some motivation to small YouTubers who kind of like they want to open YouTube channel but they don't know how to do it, or they don't have the motivation to do it. I'm gonna get that motivation because I'm a small YouTuber. As you can see, I have 7 subscribers. I am grateful for all my 7 subscribers because it's better than 0. Because I was the kind of person who was procrastinating so much. I was like, I'm gonna open YouTube today and I'll be like, I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I want everything to be perfect. I wanted my channel to look professional when I open it, but it doesn't work that way, you know. You have to start from 0 to 100, you know. So you have to start from the bottom before you work your way up to the top. So I have 2 YouTube channels. I've been on YouTube for a year, but I've been posting on my family channel, which is my sister and I channel. So that channel is called FGYTC. So you should definitely go check it out. But this channel here is my personal channel, and I just wanted to create something that I will be myself and that I will be able to motivate people and yeah, just bring smile on everybody's face when y'all watch my video, because that's who I am. I always make people smile. Even when people don't want to smile, I try to make them smile. So I won't bring the same energy to my YouTube channel to share with you guys. So before we go into the video, I want to ask you one question. So do y'all want me to call your lovely babies, or y'all want me to call your lovely family? So let's get right into the video. I'm done talking now. The reason why I gave this channel the name Lovely Smile, because I'm lovely and I love to smile. As you can see, I even talk and I'm smiling, so that's funny. Even when somebody say hi to me, I always smile. Even when I say hi to somebody, I always smile. So I was like, I'm gonna name my YouTube channel Lovely Smile. So yeah, and my motivation to small YouTubers or people who thinking about opening a YouTube channel, don't sit at home and be like, I'm gonna wait for tomorrow. No, I'm gonna wait for 2 weeks and then I'll open my YouTube channel. Or you be like, I'm gonna wait for a month or next year. There is no perfect time to open YouTube. If I can have the courage and have 7 subscribers and be happy about it, to my own video, I added them. When I first started my YouTube channel, if y'all check on my old channel, my first video, it looked horrible. But I have the courage to record and be like, okay, you know what? It will not be perfect, but at least I put in the effort, you know? So don't sit there and procrastinate about what time you will open your YouTube channel. I want to open YouTube channel, but I want the perfect time. There is no thing that is called perfect. If everything in life was perfect, we just have to get it easy, you know. So in life, you have to start the hard way before you go to the easy way. If you always start easy, I promise you tomorrow it will be hard for you, because it's better for you to struggle now and and gain your success instead of you waiting and taking shortcuts. So you have to put in the work, you have to have that motivation, you have to know your purpose of you posting video. You have something in you, that's why motivating you every single day for you to post a video on YouTube. I post because I have motivation. Nobody have to help me to record my video. When I first started doing YouTube, I didn't have nothing. I have to braid hair. I have to go to the braiding hair shop during summertime and braid hair for people. When I get a little bit of money, I put it together and buy my camera. The camera I have, I know it's not the best, but now it can help me create video, because I used to record on my phone and my phone didn't have like a lot of storage. So I stopped posting on YouTube because my phone didn't have a lot of storage. So I said I want to do YouTube. So I will motivate myself and go work and get money and buy a camera and buy my light to record. That's all you need. You just need a good camera, you just need a good light to record. If your mom can help you to buy light for you, that's great. If you can ask your dad, be like, Dad, can you please help me? I really want to do YouTube. Can you please help me get some camera or light, or can you buy me a smartphone that have good camera so I can record? That would be great. You can start recording on your phone, because I started on my phone before I can even start thinking about buying a camera to record video to post on YouTube. So you just have to motivate yourself, because you know you have something in you that you want to share it with the world, and that's thing that in you that make you so eager. Let it keep on making you eager to have that motivation to be able to make video and put it on YouTube. YouTube is a great place to establish anything. I don't care about what other people say. People will be like, oh, you're taking it the easy way. It's not easy to make a video if nobody helping you to make that video like me. I have to do everything on my own. So it doesn't discourage me because I'm making the video up by myself and I have to edit it, all that stuff. It doesn't discourage me at all, because I know what I want, and what I want, I know I'm working towards it. So don't be discouraged. If you have 0 subscribers, keep on posting. One day somebody will click on that video, and because you look so interesting and because you have something to offer them, I promise you they will subscribe to your channel. They will even leave a comment down below and be telling you like, I really like your video. But all you need to do for yourself is for you to motivate yourself to get into that place that you want to be. Don't sit there and be like, oh God, all the people getting famous on YouTube now, I really want to be like them. All the famous people that you see on YouTube, once upon a time, all of them, they didn't have no subscriber like me and you. So you should get that in the back of your mind, because they work so hard and put in all the effort. That's why people start watching that video, and that's why people start noticing their content. So if they can do it, me and you can do the same thing. Okay, let me take me from the equation. You can do it, because me, I'm already doing it. Nobody have to tell me, say, don't do this. I told my mom I won't be on YouTube. First she was kind of like, I already know. But later, I explained to her why I wanted to be on YouTube, and she understood it perfectly. She's like, you know what? If that's what you want to do, go ahead and do it. I will not stop you. And I'm like, yeah, thank you. And I didn't wait for her to buy me a light to record. I worked hard and buy everything that I needed to create a good content for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave a comment down below. So yeah, that's my motivation video. Always motivate yourself to do something. Don't like somebody to tell you what to do. Always know what you want and go for it. And I tell you, if you put your heart and your soul into everything you do, and just love it, and just be you, and don't think about, oh, I want to go on YouTube because I want to make money. If you don't just think about that, and you just do it because you want to do it, and because you have the passion to do it, I promise you, the money will come. The money will come, but you just have to put in the work. So yeah, I'm not getting paid from YouTube yet. I have 7 subscribers. So why would I get paid now? Shoot. But because I'm putting in the work, I know I will reach to that point that I will get paid by YouTube. So I just need to take it step by step each day. You know, now when you struggle in the future, you'll start enjoying. You'll start getting things easy. But your foundation need to be solid. You need to build your foundation that tomorrow in the future, when you get a solid foundation, that foundation will not be able to, break, because you already have solid foundation. So yeah, that's what I have to say. I know I talk too much, but I'm just sick and tired of people be like, I want to open my YouTube channel, but I won't do it tomorrow. Bro, what are you waiting for? Open it now. Nothing holding you. So don't be afraid of things that you don't know. Get to know it, and when you experience it, you be like, oh my God, I thought this stuff was like rocket science, but shoot, I'm getting it now. I didn't know nothing about opening a YouTube channel. I only knew how to open a Gmail account. That's all I knew how to do. I have to watch video to know how to open a YouTube channel. I have to watch video to see how people edit, and that's how I learned how to do the things I know how to do now, because I'm motivating myself and I'm doing it every day. Every single day I put a video on YouTube, it looks different. So yeah, I hope I motivate you to open YouTube channel even if you don't have no subscriber. I promise you, one day somebody will subscribe to you. You just have to make the video and post it on YouTube. That's all you have to do. You don't have to have perfect lighting. You don't have to have camera. You just have to use your phone, like the resource you have, and open a YouTube channel and start making video. If you really want to be a YouTuber, like the way I want to. So yeah, see you in my next video. Thank you and love you guys so much. I hope everything been good with you guys, and I pray for all of you guys. So thank you, and yeah.